Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you a promo code to use in Sinhala. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you're going to log out of your account by going to menu, then to settings, then scroll down to the bottom, then log out of your account. Once you've logged out of your account, go back to registration, choose a method of registration of your choice, choose full option, fill in the different fields, and at promo code type Chelsea TV. Once that is done, you're going to get a 300% bonus at your first deposit, which means if you get in 10,000, you are going to get out 40,000.